I had this swim teacher when I was little who really believed in me. She sort of asked me to join her swim team, so I did. I went for a couple of sessions and I just fell in love with it, and since then I've always loved sport. Hi, I'm Ben. I do sports management here at Edge Hill. I've always known about Edge Hill. It was the only course really that was purely sports management. There were a lot of other courses that were sport and development, sport and coaching, and I wasn't really interested in those bits. My lecturers and my peers, we have a lot of drive for transferable skills. The assessments, the lectures, they don't just help to learn the content. You learn your communication skills, your leadership skills. I've learned so much in the last 2 years. The modules are perfectly suited for going out into the world, into the industry. A couple of lecturers work for football clubs. Earlier this year, actually, we visited Everton Football Club. We visited their boardroom and their offices, and we sat in their boardroom and just hearing about their experiences is really useful. For my course, we do a lot of stuff in the sports centre. All the practical sessions, we have the space to be able to do them. Being on the swim team, having the swimming pool on campus is so useful for us. So having that is something that I use every day almost. I feel like I've sort of found myself at Edge Hill. I'm much more confident, I'm much more happy with myself. It's obviously hard starting a new thing. Change is hard for anyone, but you've got the people around you, you'll find friends. It's just got that community feel and that sense of belonging.